Why should I apply for U.S. citizenship? Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn about what is the difference between having a permanent residence card, known informally as a green card, and having citizenship. For more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. When you have a green card, you are considered a lawful permanent resident. That means that you can live anywhere in the United States, work for any lawful employer in the United States, or start your own business. However, you have to apply to renew your green card about every 10 years. As a U.S. citizen, you get all the same rights as a permanent resident, with additional rights. If you intend to stay in the United States for the long term, U.S. citizenship provides many advantages not available to green card holders. Let's talk about the benefits of U.S. citizenship. The rights of a U.S. citizen. You cannot be deported to your country of former citizenship or nationality. You can travel with one of the most powerful passports in the world. You can travel to more than 180 destinations for short-term trips without a visa. You can obtain federal benefits available only to U.S. citizens, such as federal college assistance, available only to U.S. citizens. You can apply for a green card for your relatives. Your children automatically become U.S. citizens, even if they're born abroad. You no longer have to deal with immigration paperwork. You won't need to renew your green card or pay immigration filing fees. You can apply for jobs with the U.S. government. Most federal employment is reserved only for U.S. citizens. You can vote in any U.S. election. Only U.S. citizens can vote in federal elections. And you can run for elected office. If you're considering moving to the United States, you have several options to choose from. Let's compare green card versus citizenship to see which route is best for your needs. For green card. A green card entitles the owner to remain in the United States permanently and to work there. In addition to giving the holder of a green card nearly all of the privileges of a U.S. citizen, it also serves as an official ID document. While citizenship. A lawful permanent resident who meets the criteria outlined by Congress in the Immigration and Nationality Act is given U.S. citizenship through the naturalization procedure. For green card. Green card holders can enlist in some branches of the U.S. military, but they cannot work for any federal agencies that accept applications from only U.S. citizens. While citizenship. The right to citizenship grants access to employment opportunities in all U.S. government departments and military services. For green card. A person with a green card may be expelled from the U.S. for committing major crimes, engaging in espionage, or failing to notify the U.S. government of a change of address. While citizenship. A U.S. citizen won't be deported, but if fraud was committed during the citizenship application process, their status may be revoked instead. For green card. Green card holders are permitted to leave the nation, but they should avoid staying too long because it may jeopardize their right to live there. While citizenship. A U.S. citizen's ability to travel abroad for an extended period of time will not have any negative effects on their citizenship. For green card. Holders of green cards can apply for visas so that their wives and unmarried children can live in the United States. While citizenship. When one becomes a citizen, they can file a petition to bring their spouses, children, both married and unmarried, siblings, and other relatives to live in the United States. For green card. Green card holders cannot vote in elections. While citizenship. A U.S. citizen can vote in elections. For green card. Green card holders are not qualified for the USA passport. While citizenship. A U.S. citizen can get a U.S. passport after applying for it. Green card versus citizenship. Which is right for you? Now that you know the difference between a green card versus citizenship, you can choose the path that's right for you. Next, we're gonna learn about when do permanent residents or green card holders become eligible to apply for U.S. citizenship? After a certain length of time, 5 years in most cases, 3 years for spouses of U.S. citizens. Permanent residents may apply to become a U.S. citizen through a process called naturalization. Additional requirements for naturalization include ability to read, write, and speak English, understanding of U.S. history and government, continuous residence in the U.S. as a permanent resident for at least 5 years preceding the application for naturalization, and physical presence in the U.S. for at least half that time. Residence in the state where the application is made for at least 3 months prior to the application. For citizenship processing time. How long does it take to become a U.S. citizen? The processing time for naturalization, citizenship, averages 10 months. During this time, as the government works to process the application for naturalization, applicants must complete several steps before becoming citizens. The naturalization process may take more or less time, depending on where the applicant lives. This is because some U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, field offices handle applications much faster than others. Here's a brief summary from application filing to the swearing-in ceremony. Step 1. Submitting your application for naturalization, Form N-400. For detailed information and guides, please review the USCIS website. Step 2. Attending your biometrics appointment. Step 3. Attending your citizenship interview and exam. Step 4. Receiving a decision on your application. Step 5. Taking the oath of allegiance and receiving your certificate of citizenship. If you've made it this far, congratulations! You can begin enjoying your life as a U.S. citizen. Thank you for watching.